You are going to love the 2020 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.